Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to explain about scripting types. Okay, so what all the scripts available, um, what all the types of scripts available, uh, what type of scripts we write in different kinds of functionalities. Okay, and where we can use those kind of scripts. Okay, so all these things we can learn. Okay, in this section. Okay. So let's see. So log into your instance. So before explaining, okay, so we need to know what are the types of scripts. Okay, scripting. Okay, what are the types of scripts? So in ServiceNow, we have basically two types of scripting. Two types of scripting. Okay, one it is client side. Client side scripting. Second it is server side scripting. Server side scripting. Okay, server side scripting. Okay, so what is okay? So why we use script? Okay, we use script to extend like our instance, okay, beyond the standard configurations. For example, the reason of scripting is to add some customizations, okay, or to give some add functionalities or integrate with third parties applications or to automate some process. So all these things we use scriptings. Okay, so in the client side and server side, we have client side APIs also. Okay, and server side scripting, we have server side APIs. Okay, server side APIs. And why? Oh, why? What is the difference between the client side and server side? Okay, client side means, for example, if I open any form, for example, incident. Okay, if I open any form, all. Uh, so this is the browser. Okay, so this is the browser client side or browser scripts we called it. Okay, client side. Okay, so when the form loads or when we change some field value or when we submit or when we save this form, okay, so those are called client side script executes only on the browser side. Okay, browser side, whereas server side scripts, okay, it executes on the database level. Okay, so where it executes database level. Database level. Okay, so client side where it executes, okay, on browser. On browser, so it depends upon the functionalities we are using. Okay, so all these things. Okay, so runs on the server is called server side script or database, okay, scripts, or client side runs on the user browser only. Okay, so client scripts can also be called by other scripts or modules. Okay, so there are a lot of scripts available. Okay, so functionality, the method, the APIs we use same in all the modules or anything wherever we use client-side scripts. Okay, so there are different types of scripts available in ServiceNow. Okay, so there are different types of scripts available. Okay, in ServiceNow where we use client-side scripts. Okay, there are some different kinds of scripts available for server side where we use the server side scripts. Okay, so the client side we use client side APIs. Okay, on the server side we use server side APIs. In the server side we have global APIs and scoped APIs. Okay, so global we use whenever we are using global application. Okay, so mostly we use out of the box functionalities to change something, anything. Okay, scoped APIs means if you develop any other applications, so there we use scoped APIs. There are a little bit difference between the scope and server-side APIs. So that we will learn about in the next upcoming sections. So if you see, there are, let's see what are the client-side scripts available. I mean, what are the client-side, what are the scripts available? Okay, so on those scripts, okay, available scripts. Okay, so what all the scripts available? Okay, so what type of scripts we use, like client side or server side? For example, if someone asks you, what type of scripts we'll write in business rule, we call server side scripts. Okay, so there is a difference between writing the server side scripts and writing the client side scripts. The major difference is the methods we use. Okay, we will learn slowly what all the methods available in server-side scripts, what all the methods available in client-side scripts. So we will learn slowly. Okay, so now what all the available scripts? Okay, so we have called validation scripts. Validation scripts. So inside this, okay, so we write a client-side script. Client-side script. See. So we have a ACL access control list. We and here we write some server side script. Okay, server side script. Or okay, so we have Ajax scripts. So here we write both. Okay, both. So in some scripts we can write server side only. In some scripts we write only client side. In some scripts we write both. Okay, so there are like a business rule. In server side script we have business rules also. In the client side we call client scripts. Okay, client scripts we have. Okay. In the server side script, we can write script include. Script include. Okay, the major script we write. Okay, in the server side. Okay, so there are a lot of scripts available, but these are the major scripts. Okay, on the server side, we can write script actions. Also, we can write script action. Okay, transform maps. Transform maps. Okay, so UI pages, UI scripts, UI policy we have. Okay, so there are different kinds of scripts available. We write. Okay, so for each thing, like in our series, we will explain light about like client side scripts, UI policies. For each module, we will cover one section. Okay, like what all the script. For example, client script. Okay, client script. What are the client script? Why we use client script? What are the types of client scripts available? Okay, so when we use a client scripts, what are the best practices to use? What is debugging of how to debug the client script? So we will be explaining in the upcoming sections, like each module with one section. Okay, like a client script in next section. Okay, business rule, business rules. Okay, script includes. Okay, script includes, like that. So what all the applications methods available in the client side scripts, what are the methods available in the business rules, so what are the available methods in the server side scripts. Okay, so if we have any jelly scripts, okay, what are the JavaScripts we are using. So we will discuss all these things in our upcoming sections. So these are the server side, and so you have to remember in ServiceNow there are two major types. One, it is server side scripts, and other is client side scripts. So client side is like it works on the browser, and server side it works on the server side scripts. Okay, So we will be explaining about more details in the upcoming sections. Okay. And also we have like execution order of the scripts and engines. Okay. So where it which scripts will run first, which script will run later. Okay. So all these things we will decide. Okay. Later. Okay. So those are the things. Okay. Yeah. So that's all. That is about the server side. I mean script types. Okay, scripting and scripting types. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn service now. Thank you very much for your time.